Hello everyone, welcome back, and this is Naveen from UiBrains. Last class we have installed successfully the TypeScript and Node.js. In this video we're gonna understand how to make a basic programming with TypeScript. Okay, so before I proceed, let me check the version of Node.js and TypeScript, and then we'll start a basic programming like functional oriented programming. We start first, and then object oriented, DOM manipulation, examples, applications, and all we'll see. Okay, so first let me check the version of Node.js. So how to check the version of Node.js is node space hyphen hyphen version. Okay, so you just open a command prompt and type the node space hyphen version to get the node.js version, and to get the TypeScript version just say tsc space hyphen hyphen version. Okay, let me try these two first. So let me open a fresh command prompt. I say node space hyphen hyphen version. I get 14.15 is the current version of Node.js as of recording this video, and tsc space hyphen hyphen version. I got 4.1.3, that is the current TypeScript version as I'm recording this video. Okay, fine. So we confirm that Node.js and TypeScript has been successfully installed in my system. So now let's start with the programming. Before I start with the programming, you need to create a workspace. Okay, you need to create a workspace and all the programs and every concept we're going to discuss in that workspace. So let me create a workspace folder here on my desktop. Let's say ts hyphen workspace. Okay, and this is just an empty folder. They need to open you need to open this folder on webstrom or any of your editor like vs code, sublime text, atom, brackets, anything you can use it. So let me open this, copy the address. So this is my webstrom. I'll be using webstrom. You can choose any of your editor, but code will be same, right? So file, open, paste. Okay. So now I have loaded this workspace, an empty workspace folder. So inside for every concept, we're gonna create a separate um, what's called one second. Yeah, for every concept, we're gonna create every separate folder. So let me right click on this new directory 01 hyphen ts hyphen basics. Okay, so in this let me create a TypeScript. How to create a TypeScript is right click on this new TypeScript. Okay, so let's say app. So I just created a simple file called app.ts. So we just write a very basic thing like console.log console.log of welcome welcome to TypeScript welcome to TypeScript. So this is the one I just written a welcome to TypeScript console log. So first we have to understand how to run a TypeScript program. Okay, so how to execute a TypeScript program you have to understand. So the very first thing is we have written app.ts file. So how can we execute? So we all know JavaScript, and how can we execute JavaScript is you have to connect the JavaScript with HTML and you runs on the browser, right? So as of now we don't have any browser setup. Going forward we'll also connect the how to run TypeScript on the browser, I tell you. Okay, DOM manipulation with browser with TypeScript and all, I tell you. But as of now just plain TypeScript, so no HTML, nothing, no browser. So how can you execute this TypeScript is first thing is you have to compile this. You have to compile this, and once you have done with the compilation you have to execute the program. So compilation and execution, two steps are required to run actually the TypeScript program. Okay, so how can you compile this is there is a command. So there is a command is tsc space app.ts. Not this app, whatever the file name you have, that file name .ts file. Okay, so what is this tsc? So tsc is a TypeScript compiler which comes along with the TypeScript installation itself. Okay, so using this you're gonna uh, you run this command, it will compile your program and it will generate a JS file. So app.js file, and that JS file how to execute is node space app.js. Okay, so node space app.js. Okay, so let me do the steps now. So let me right click on this, open in terminal. You have to open a command prompt exactly the same location of your program. There, they say tsc space app.ts, enter. So this is gonna check for the errors of it, and if nothing goes wrong, then you get everything works fine, then you get this. It means it's bad, it has been compiled. So please check, it's been generated one app.js file just now. Okay, once that is generated, you can run the command call node space app.js. Okay, and press enter. So you get the welcome message, simple welcome to TypeScript has come on the screen. Okay, so this is how you compile a TypeScript program. Okay, and we have another way of writing, how to execute the TypeScript program is we have one third-party module of Node.js, that is something called TS Node. So using this TS Node also you can uh, do the same step. Actually, we are doing two steps. First is compilation and execution, two things. Instead, by using this TS node, only one command is enough to run your complete program. Okay, so first thing is this is first approach. Okay, second approach using TS node. This is one third-party module. So first thing you have to install TS node, and then you have to use this to compile and run your program. Okay, so first of all, how to install a second approach is npm install -g TS node. So this TS node you have to install in your system globally. And once you're done with the installation, so from now onwards, you can just say the command instead of executing the two commands. You can just say only one command, TS node space app.ts. So this command is gonna convert to JavaScript and also execute JavaScript. So both will happen in a single command. So you can even try this approach. Okay. So let me try to execute this npm install. Let me open a command line. So npm install -g ts-node. So just execute this. Okay, it will take some time. I have already done this. So it will take some time to download and install a setup of TS node. And once you confirm that download and installation, you can run the program using this also. So how you do is go to the same location of your program, ts-node space app.ts. Make sure you write TS file. Press enter. So this will do both compilation as well as execution. See, you got the execution. Okay, so two ways you can execute a program, ts space app.js and then node space app.js, or else ts node space app.ts directly. And also tell you going forward how to run your TypeScript program using the parcel bundler on a browser. Okay, so that we'll see once we start the DOM manipulation. Okay, so that's all enough for this video for TypeScript basics, and the next video we'll see the variable declarations and data types. Thanks so much for watching, and let's meet in the next video. Thank you.